Alright, today we're talking about fabric piling, why some fabrics brings out rashes, and most of the time it is not even our fault, okay? It is not your fault. If you've seen your fabric bringing out those rashes, they are actually called piling. Sometimes it is our fault, but sometimes it is the fabric quality and it is out of our controls. But there are certain ways and there are certain measures that we can actually try to fix it if it is going to work. Now check the next slide to know what to do. Okay, thank you.
I love a comfy sweater, but it's inevitable. After a wash, you're gonna get all those little fuzzies. Here's how to save and refresh those sweaters. For machine washable sweaters, fold them inside out, use cold water, and lay them flat to air dry. Even after proper washing, those fuzzies may still persist. Your best option is gonna be a fabric shaver. These things are a sweater saver. And it helps to move very slowly, either back and forth or in small circular motions. If you don't have a fabric shaver, a pumice stone can be an alternative. You'll just want to lightly and gently brush away all those fuzzies. A disposable razor, especially if you're traveling, can be a good quick fix as well. Just an inexpensive one, or at a hotel, sometimes they'll give you one for free. Make sure the sweater is flat and shave away those fuzzies. If you are using the razor technique, it helps to use a lint roller or tape as well. Shave it off, remove. Just a little off the top and your sweaters will be fresh and brand new.